To put the finishing touches on this match.
Oh my God! Roman Reigns. Oh, RKO by Orton. Great move. Is he going to deliver? Oh, the claw! Cena delivering it. You got to be kidding me! Oh, did he do it? Did he get it?
The finishing touches on this match.
Someone get FEMA on the phone. I think we're going to qualify after this disaster. Is it only?
You got to be kidding me! Oh, did he do it? Did he get it? But a Lesnar who's fading away. Brock Lesnar is fading away. Oh. Wait a minute. Look at this. Oh, my God.
Looking to put the finishing touches on this match.
Shane can do this. Delivers me. Oh, the claw!